ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Hi students. Now nature of triangles, nature of quadrilaterals already we discussed. Now we are doing some problems. Show that the points taken in order taken in order. Eight comma 4, 5 comma 7, minus 1 comma 1, 2 comma minus 2 form a rectangle. Form a rectangle. Form a rectangle. Rectangle means what? We have to show that A 8 comma 4 taken in order. B 5 comma 7. C minus 1 comma 1. And this coordinates D 2 comma minus 2 form a rectangle. Rectangle means what? We have to show that opposite sides are equal and also diagonals are also equal. Diagonals are also equal. That means what? To show AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD and diagonals AC is equal to B. Diagonals are equal. To show that, to prove that these are equal. Now I am taking A coordinates are 8 comma 4, B coordinates are 5 comma 7. Now AB distance formula, root of, so this is x1 y1, x2 y2, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 minus y1 whole square. That is the square root of x2 minus x1. So this is 5 minus 8 whole square plus y2 minus y1 7 minus 4 whole square. Whole square. Whole square. So this is minus 3 root of minus 3 whole square plus 3 square. So this is equal to root of 9 plus 9 root of 18 root 18. And next term B is equal to 5 comma 7 and C coordinates minus 1 comma 1. Again BC is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root of minus 6 whole square plus minus 6 whole square, that is root of 36 plus 36 root of 72. BC equal to, and the next term C is equal to minus 1 comma 1 and D coordinates 2 comma minus 2. So CD is equal to root of x2 minus x1 2 minus of minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 y2 minus y1 whole square. root of 2 minus of minus plus whole square, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 whole square, that is equal to root of 3 square 9 plus minus 3 whole square 9, that is root of 18, root 18. So, CD and you have to find AD, write down. Next to A 8 comma 4, D 2 comma minus 2, AD is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, square root of minus 6 whole square plus minus 6 whole square. So, minus 6 whole square is minus 6 into minus 6, that is plus 36. 36 plus 36, root of 72. So, that is root of 72. Next, we have to show that diagonals are also equal. Diagonals are equal. Now, from these conclusion, AB is equal to CD. AB equal to CD conclusion. Therefore, AB is equal to CD and BC. What is BC equal to? Root of 72. BC. And AD also root 72 and AD. Okay. That means what? Opposite sides are equal. Now, to show that diagonals are also equal. Now, A is equal to 8 comma 4, C is equal to minus 1 comma 1, minus 1 comma 1. Now, to show that the diagonals. Now, length of AC equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is root of minus 9 whole square plus minus 3 whole square, minus 3 whole square, that is root of, so 81 plus 9, 81 plus 9, that is equal to root of 90. And next other diagonal is BD. B coordinates 5 comma 7, D coordinates 2 comma minus 2. Therefore, BD is equal to root of x2 minus x1 That is what? 2 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus 7 whole square. That is root of minus 3 whole square plus minus 9 whole square. Minus 3 whole square, minus 3 into minus 3, 9. So that is root of 9 plus minus 9 whole square, minus 9 into minus 9. So that is 81. That equal to root 90. Therefore, the diagonals are also equal. So AC also equal to BD. Therefore, the 4 points, the given points form a rectangle. Therefore, the points form a rectangle. Forms a rectangle. Right on? Show that the points taken in order. First one, minus 3 comma 1, minus 6 comma minus 7, 3 comma minus 9 and 6 comma minus 1 form a parallelogram. Form a parallelogram. Parallelogram is what? Opposite sides are equal, diagonals are not equal. Next one, 3 comma minus 2, 7 comma 6, minus 1 comma 2, minus 1, 5 comma minus 6 form a rhombus. Form a rhombus. Rhombus means what? We have to show that all sides are equal and the diagonals are not equal. Now you solve these two problems. Next point, the area of triangle formed by the points x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 and x3 comma y3 is area of triangle. You know the formula in 10th class, it is there. 1 by 2 into mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Area of triangle. x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y2 minus y3 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Or you write like this, 1 by 2 of, you can put x1 x1 x2 x3 x1 y1 y2 y3 y1, that equal to half into product of these two minus product of these two. Next, plus product of these two minus product of these two. Next, plus product of these two minus product of these two. This is one method. That is x1 y1 minus product of these two x2 y1 plus product of these two x2 y3 minus x3 y2 plus product of these two x3 y1 minus y3 x1 or x1 y3 x1 y3. x1 this is y2, x1 y2 minus like this. Okay, if you take x1 is taking x1 common, then what? x1 common, y2 minus y3, same as above. If you take plus, x2 is taking x2 common, x2, here x2 is taking common, this becomes what? x2 common, this is what? y3 minus y1, this one, plus x3 is taking common, y1 minus y2, x3 is taking common, y1 minus y2, same as above. So, x1, x2, x3, x1, y1, y2, y3, y1. Product of these two minus product of these two plus product of these two minus product of these two plus this is minus. This and this both are same. It is easy to remember. Or in 10th class you don't have that matrices. In previous years topic is there matrices. Now we don't have matrices. Just simple. Suppose A is equal to, this is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Then this is called a matrix. You forget about this one. Simply, you don't have matrices. Just you can remember only that one point. This is called determinant of the matrix. A, B, C, D. This is called determinant. You can put determinant. This is simply denoted by straight lines. This is called a matrix. You can put like this. It is matrix. Only straight lines. This is matrix. Then this is AD minus BC. AD minus BC. This is called determinant of the matrix. AD minus BC. Determinant of the matrix. That A is equal. This is called determinant of the matrix. AD minus BC. AD minus BC. So the product of these two minus product of these two. That is determinant of the matrix. A is equal to A, B, C, D. So, this is just like a square bracket. Determinant means what? You can put the lines, straight lines, in between straight lines. AD minus BC. That is called determinant of the matrix. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then what is that? A is equal, determinant equal to what? AD, product of these two. 1 into 4 minus these two, that equal to minus 2. That is called determinant. Or this also, that is equal to half into mod of determinant of, you can do like this also, x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, x2 minus x3, y2 minus y3, determinant. That means what? The product of these two minus product of these two. That is also the area of triangle. This is what? Mod. This is what? Determinant symbol. Because area is not in negative values. Determinant is nothing but a number. Minus 2 is a number. Area means not in negative values. Your area, weight, height, not in negative values. For that, you can put mod of. This is also we use. Half mod of determinant of x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, and x2 minus x3. You can put some gap. This is one term and this is one term, just like this. Half, this is mod, determinant, x1 minus x2, like y1 minus y2. Next, x2 minus x3 and y2 minus y3. So, product of these two minus product of these two. That is the area of triangle formula. You can use this formula or by using like this, or you go through that also. That is area of triangle. Right now? So, area equal to half mod of determinant of x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, x2 minus x3, y2 minus y3. Product of these two minus product of these two mod of. One example, find the area of triangle formed by the points 1, 2 and 3, minus 4 and minus 2, 0 area. Now, this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. According to your convenience, you can write any one. So, but I use this one. If you are comfortable with that formula, first one, you can go through that. area is equal to area of triangle of determinant of mod of, this is mod. What is the formula? x1 minus x2, 1 minus 3. Next to y1 minus y2, y1 is 2, minus of minus 4. Next to x2 minus x3, x2 minus x3, 3 minus of minus 2. Next to y2 minus y3, y2 is minus 4, minus 0. Okay, that equal to minus 2, minus 2, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 2, minus 4. That equal to half of minus 2, 6 and 5 and minus 4. So product of these two, that equal to 1 by 2 of product of these two is what? Minus 2 into minus 4 minus product of these two, 30. 5 into 6, that equal to, this is what? 8 minus 30, that is equal to 1 by 2 of, this is minus 22, that is 11. But area is not in negative values, mod is there, this is mod of, this is mod of, okay, and this is also mod of. So mod of, that is meaning, that is what? So this value is determinant, okay na? So mod of, this is mod of, that equal to what? That is area is 11 square units. Square units. Next problem. 9 comma 7, 2 comma 4 and 0 comma 0 area. Answer 25 square units. Next one, next problem, find K if area of triangle formed by the points K comma 0 and 3 comma 4 and 5 comma minus 2 is 10 square units. Area of triangle formed by the points is given 10 square units. Then find the value of K. Area of triangle formula, determinant of, or let's simply call it mod of. Using this formula, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. That is x1 minus x2, k minus 3, y1 minus y2, 0 minus 4, x2 minus x3, that is 3 minus 5, y2, y2 minus y3. So this y2, what is y2? 4 minus of minus 2 is equal to given 10. That is equal to k minus 3 minus 4, that is 6 into k minus 3. Put minus and minus 2 into minus 4 is equal to 20. So this is mod of 6k minus 18. So the minus of minus plus, plus into minus is minus 8 is equal to 20. Mod of 6k minus this is a 26 is equal to 20 equal to 20. So you know already I told in the previous class mod x is equal to 2. What is x equal to? Plus or minus 2. Area is in negative values. So this is mod of 6x minus 26 equal to 20. 6x minus 26 equal to 20 implies 6k minus 26 is equal to plus or minus 20. Since this is the reason, mod x is equal to 2, x equal to plus or minus 2. Now if 6k minus 26 is equal to plus 20, 6k is equal to, take that side, 20 plus 26, that equal to 46. Therefore k is equal to 46 by 6, that is 3 times 23 times, that is 23 by 3, one answer. If you take negative sign, if 6k minus 26 equal to minus 20, therefore 6k is equal to minus 20 plus 26, that is 6. K is equal to 6 by 6, that is 1. Therefore the values of k 1 are 23 by 3. Right on? Next problem, you try this problem. Find k if the area of triangle formed by the points 10, 2, minus 3, minus 4 and k, 1 is 5 square units. Answer k value 37 by 6 or 57 by 6. Answer. Same process. How to get two values? Mod of. Here mod x is equal to 2, x equal to plus or minus 2. So if you take plus, you will get one answer. If you take minus, you get another answer. Next point. Next point. 3 or more points are said to be collinear if they lie on a same straight line. Same straight line. 3 or more points are said to be collinear if they lie on a line. 3 or more points are said to be collinear if they lie on a straight line. How to prove the points are collinear? If A comma B comma C are collinear, implies the sum of two distances equal to, that is the third distance, that is AB plus BC is equal to AC, or AB plus AC is equal to BC, or BC plus AC is equal to EAB. How to prove the points are collinear? So, find distances AB, BC, CA, 3 distances, 3 lengths. Sum of 2 is equal to third one, then the points are said to be collinear. This is one process. Or area of triangle ABC is equal to 0 implies A comma B comma C are collinear. Why it is 0? 3 points cannot form a triangle. 3 collinear points, not points, 3 collinear points cannot form a triangle. So it becomes, what is area becomes nothing, that is 0. So if area of triangle ABC equal 0, then the points A comma B comma C are said to be collinear. Right on? An example. Show that the points show that the points 0 comma minus 2 minus 1 comma 1 and minus 2 comma 4 are collinear. Collinear means what? We have to show that area of triangle formed by these 3 points is 0. Now this is x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Area is equal to, determinant x by using the formula. See here, x1 minus x2, 0 minus of minus 1, y1 minus 2 minus 1, x2 is what? Minus 1 minus 2 and y2, what is y2? 1 minus 4, that is equal to So minus of minus 1, minus 3, 1 plus 2 and minus minus 3. So half is 1 minus 3, 3. Now this is minus 1 plus. So this is, and it is what? 1, and it is minus minus 3. So half, so mod of product of these two, 1 into minus 3 minus product of these two, 1 into minus 3. So that equal to, here it is minus 3 minus of minus 3, 0. Area is 0, therefore the given points are collinear. So the given points are collinear.